everyone, welcome to Badgeskins. So here we'll be doing a quick how-to video on the back quarter panel window for the 11th gen Honda Civic hatchback. So first thing you want to do is that you want to make sure that the whole surface area is nice and clean and dry, and then your overlay pretty well looks like this. It's going to cover the whole thing. But one of the first things you got to do is I'm going to show you how to do the slit on the back of the backing to help you with the install. So we'll show you right now how to do that. So all you have to do is lift up the vinyl like this. You don't really have to cut much. Literally, you're going to cut maybe an inch off. And we're just I'm going to come across with a razor blade, and I'm just going to, you can see I've cut about an inch off of the backing. And I'm just going to line it back up, and I'm going to lay the vinyl back over it like this. And that's all you have to do. Now this is ready for install. So now that you slit the backing on this overlay, all you have to do is take it off. And what we're going to do is we're just going to line everything up like this. As you can see, everything it's a pre-cut, so it's almost pretty well a direct fit. So what we want to do is make sure that we've lined everything up along the bottom here and in this corner, and when you lay it flat, you can see everything just follows. So at this point here, all you have to do is take a squeegee, and you just want to tack down the vinyl so it's nicely anchored. And then we're just going to fold this down, and we're just going to remove this here a little bit, and we're just going to start squeegeeing up like this. And if you have any issues, you can just pull it back. So now I'm just going to pull this off. I'm going to give it a little bit of tension so it doesn't fall down completely. And I'm just going to keep working the vinyl up into the corner. Just like that. Make sure you go over all the edges so it's nicely tacked down. Once you laid everything down with the squeegee and all the corners are down and the sides, one of the best things you can do is take a micro squeegee, and just because it's smaller and has a sharper edge, you can really make sure that these end edges are really tacked down. If you don't have one of these micro squeegees, you can get one from our website. And that's it. Very simple install, and continue this kind of like satin look throughout the car. So here we have a different option for the rear quarter window, where we offer an emboss on the lettering. And it's pretty simple too. It's this basic install, just like before. The only difference is that you're going to install the lettering of your choice. Same process. All you have to do is make sure that your window is nice and clean, and you're going to peel the lettering off the backing of the Badgeskin, and then we're just going to apply it right here. I'm going to squeegee this on with my finger. And then I'm going to peel it off. Now the process of installing the overlay for the window is the same, where we trim it, and then we're just going to lay it right over top, and we're going to line everything up along this bottom and this corner here. Once you got it lined up, now you can start kind of really squeezing it down. You apply good pressure with your finger, and you can start seeing the emboss showing up on that lettering. Just like this. Once that's done, then you can go ahead and peel the rest of the backing off, and just kind of hold it and just work your way and squeegee down the rest. just like that. And now you just want to make sure that all the corners are sealed and tacked down. Now if you have a micro squeegee, you can get into it a little tighter. Now if you like, you can do a quick heat treat. So we just go over where the lettering is and just apply some good pressure. Hope you guys like this. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.